Hey guys, Cash Money Madness here, Terry Stone. I know I promised to do a video every Monday and Friday, and I had one for yesterday, and I had it downloaded. It was about a company I'm not going to name, because quite frankly I'm really not happy with them. The issue I had with that is I didn't do my due diligence, and I didn't do the research, and I'm sorry guys. Turned out to be a scam. It wasn't anything bad like, oh my god, he stole my identity. No, it's just it's a company that doesn't pay like they say they're gonna pay. They don't pay you anything without buying stuff, and I'm sure once you buy stuff they still don't pay you. So with that being said, I should have done my due diligence. I should have looked into it before I started it, and I didn't. So what's going to happen now is I'm still releasing every Monday and Friday. I'm going to do proven methods. Yes, I will be doing my research on some things, but I'm not going to release them anytime soon because I want to do extensive research and make sure they're not scams for you guys. I do apologize about having to delete the video from yesterday, but I am releasing this today to kind of give you something for the day after, and I promise I will be back on Monday and Tuesday. What I do need to know from you guys is I had planned on yesterday doing a video that went further into launch jacking, kind of like what I do, how I set up my bonus page and things like that. If that's something you're interested in, please leave it in the comment below. Let me know, because I need to know what kind of content you guys want to see. If not, let me know if you'd rather me do a different product every Monday and Friday kind of thing, a different method, things like that. Just like I said, leave the comment in the comment section below. Do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button to show me some love, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get all my videos when I release them, and I hope you all have a great night. Sorry again, guys.